Hello everyone, I am Kavyashree Umar Sethi. Currently I am graduating and I am from Computer Science Department with a specialization in AI.
Hi everyone, I am MSSR Tejaswini and have joined PhD in the Department of Environmental Science and Engineering under Dr. Pankaj Pathak in the year 21.
Hi, I'm Lakshya. I'm from MTech Department AI and ML and I'm from Uttar Pradesh.
My name is Onka Victory, CSE Department, Cyber Security Specialization.
Hi everyone, my name is Balakrishna. I'm from Hyderabad. I pursued my BTech in SRM University AP. My department is CSE and my specialization is Big Data Analytics.
SRM AP has given me many opportunities through which I could explore myself first and explore the opportunities they have given me. And we have done many researches which helped us build our career.
Within the 3 years, I was able to complete my research with good number of publications, and it could be only possible under the guidance of Dr. Pankaj Pathak, which helped me not only gaining theoretical but also practical skills.
My experience was a great one, even though I started my academics during the COVID period, but I'm grateful for the journey and all the lessons I've learned so far in SRM.
My experience at SRM has been great. I've had a lot of opportunities to learn as well as to get placed in a good company. So it's been pretty great so far.
I love the fun we have. I love the tech events. I love the conferences they bring. I love the paper reviews. You have to write papers that get published. SRM is indeed a very great institution.
Yes, there were so many. Apart from my guide Dr. Pankaj Pathak, even my HOD Dr. Rangabhashyam had provided critical suggestion which could help my research potential and showcase my talent.
I am really grateful to Dr. Mankandan VM, where I have done 2 of my research under him in digital image processing. So I'm really grateful for him, and in future I would really like to collaborate with him.
One professor is Dr. Ajay Bharadwaj. I have done couple of projects with him, and other sir was Satish sir. So I have done my capstone under his guidance. So it was like very good guidance for me. Like they taught me a lot and all.
I'd like to thank my project supervisor, Sanil Kre. He was so nice to me during my projects. His guidance and mentorship meant a lot to me, and a lot of other wonderful supervisors that helped me during my project.
Right now, because of my research potential and extensive research publication, I have been placed as an assistant professor in one of the deemed university.
I would like to go to a place, achieve a position where I can really mentor and guide my juniors, and I would like to be placed at my dream company and all.
So right now I'm placed at a company called Ninopal, which is a startup. There I'm getting a lot of exposure to industry level as well, and lot to learn as well. So my career is aligned with the data science field. So I'm aspiring to be a data scientist in any time soon. Yeah.
Okay, so when I started, I had just completed my undergraduate program and I was still a bit naive about the work culture, how you're supposed to survive in an environment like this. But here at SRM, I had my perception a bit changed, and it wasn't so intimidating by the end of it.
When I started SRM, so many things were wrong. I didn't know what the learning environment would be like, and saying that we started during the COVID period, so it was very tough to blend into the classroom sector when we came on campus. But I'm grateful for everything. The experience was worth it, and I'm glad to be a graduate.